What's up, y'all? My name is Monse Rodriguez, and today we're here at Alibaba's to try some Mediterranean food. Let's go check it out. When did Alibaba first open its doors?
So I'm the fourth owner of Alibaba's. Alibaba originally started in 1984, but I took over June 2008.
Who came up with the breakfast burrito recipe?
I originally did just a burrito, and some of my really good friends from high school came up with the idea of making it spicy and also putting the honey and the syrup on there. And they were like, dude, this is really, really good. So I kind of took their advice and yeah.
How many burritos do you make per day?
So it really depends, but on average I would say we sell about 250 to 300 burritos a day, but in 2019 we sold close to 100,000 burritos.
And aside of the famous burritos, what's on Alibaba's menu?
So we have the daily specials, and every day it's different. Those are the more authentic Persian dishes. And then we have gyros, burgers, and also we have platters, which is basically a bigger version of the gyros.
Is this something that people can just come order? Can they call in? How does it work?
You could come in person, you could call over the phone, and I also would love if people ordered online, which is davisalibaba.com. You make an account one time and you just sign into your account and you can order and come pick it up. You don't have to stay in line or anything.
So you can walk in, call, or order online. Is there anything that you would like to say or add on?
Right now I'm in the process of starting a second Alibaba's in Berkeley. Hopefully that goes well. But I love this place. This is part of me, and Davis will always have a special place in my heart.
My name is Monse Rodriguez. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for all things Aggie.